ಎಲ್ಲ ICSE ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಸ್, ಸೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್. ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರ ಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ಕುಲದೇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ಸ್. Yes, good evening, my dear students of ICSE. Welcome to you to Lokji channel or Lokji course, technically powered by Vedim sir. Myself, your Desai sir, trainer in chemistry and mathematics for the annual exam. Okay, there is a small change in the timetable as it becomes very late from tomorrow. Instead of 9:25, you are joining at 9 p.m. Your class will start from 9 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. After 10 it becomes too late for you. Therefore, I am making just dragging it behind 9 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. from this week onwards. Okay. Today is a Monday. Alternative days you will have the classes chemistry, maths, and we started learning the periodic properties. In that first topic we are learning introduction part of it. Already completed study of a periodic table. Now we are studying in the main topic, that is periodic properties. Last period we defined periodic properties, right? And what is the periodicity also we defined. What is periodicity, right? And periodic properties, we are learning different periodic properties. What are periodic properties? Certain properties which show variation along the period, means horizontal row and down the group in the periodic table, right? After certain intervals of elements, similar properties will repeated, right? Similar properties will repeated after certain fixed number of time, the intervals of fixed number of the elements, right? That particular, those properties which change, either increase or decrease along the period, either increase or decrease down the group. There are 18 groups in the modern periodic table and 7 horizontal rows in the periodic table. Certain properties which show variations in the sense either increase or decrease in the properties we are studying. And mainly we are studying this periodic properties. This phenomenon is called as periodicity. Therefore the table is called as periodic table. The property is called as periodic properties, right? So you'll be learning atomic size, how do they vary along the period, atomic size or atomic radius also we call. And second property is metallic property. Next property is a non-metallic, right? And the fourth property is ionization potential, ionization energy also we call, potential also you call, right? That is IE or IP, ionization potential, ionization energy, both of them are same. Fifth one is electron affinity. They are very easy, my dear students. I will teach you. Electron affinity, we call it as E dot A. And the sixth property is electronegativity, electronegativity. So these are the properties. Negativity, En. These properties will change their values along the period and down the group. I will teach them. Before that, today we'll try to understand the basic reason why these particular variations are observed. Okay, by taking as per the syllabus, by taking alkali metals and halogens, we have to discuss. Okay, though the cause of periodicity, very very important, cause of periodicity. See, if you move along the period, this is called as along the period. Whenever I say along the period, you can understand that it is from left to right along the period. This is left, this is right. Whenever I say down the group means from top to bottom. We call it as down the group. These 6 properties I mentioned, either they increase or decrease. The periodic properties either decrease, show variations along the period and down the group. Now we are going to find out in this class. Yes, Raj Sharma, good evening. Okay. And down the group they show variations. Along the period also they show variations. Periodic spelling. Periodic properties. Correct. TIES. Make the corrections. Periodic properties. TIES. Okay. And before we actually learn, what is the cause of periodicity, we will try to understand. First of all, I will take the example of down the group. So, in the syllabus of ICSE, they have mentioned with reference to halogens and alkali metals, you can study the periodicity. Let us take halogens. What are halogens? We discussed in the last class. Where the halogens are placed? Halogens are placed in the 17th group of the periodic table. Can you tell me what are the halogens? What are the halogens? We will take the halogens and study along the period and down the group, how do they change. Halogens are placed in 17th group of the periodic table with reference to 17th group and group 1 as per the syllabus we have to learn. Halogens. 17th group elements are called as halogens. Can you tell me the halogens and their atomic number? Right? Halogens. What is the name of this first element? Is a fluorine. Right? Its atomic number of fluorine is 9. And the period, in which period it is present? Period will write, and electronic configuration will write. Electronic configuration. You will observe electronic configuration. If you take fluorine, atomic number 9, in which period it is present? Observe that fluorine is present in the second period of the periodic table. Electronic configuration of fluorine is 2, right? 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Second one is chlorine with atomic number 17. It is also present in a second period. What is the periodic table? Sorry, it is present in a down the group at every period down the group. This is a period number 1, period number 2, period number 3. Period number 3, electronic configuration is given by 2, 8, 7. K cell, L cell, or first cell, second cell, third cell. Down the group, if you continue, at every period, that period number corresponds to the cell in which electrons are present. Remember, cells in which electrons are present. Clear to you? 17. Here period is 3. Therefore, chlorine is placed in the third period. This period number is equal to the cell in which the electrons are present. Observe carefully. Number of electrons in the outermost shell is 7. Let us take a next one. In the fourth period, you have fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Bromine has atomic number 35, one less than krypton, halogen. It is placed in the fourth period. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 18, 7. You can note down. 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 18 is 28, 28 plus 7 is 35. Electronic configuration of bromine. Next one is iodine, symbol is I, which is 53. It is placed in fifth period. Therefore, you can expect 2, 8, then you have 18, again 18 and 7. Check whether the total is 53. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 18, 28, 28 plus 18, 38, 46. 46 plus 7 is 53. Welcome, all of you. Doubt? Which doubt? Ask the doubt. Ask the doubt. Don't tell only doubt. What is the doubt? If you say doubts, I can't say anything. If your ICS students join here, don't say doubt. What is the doubt? You type in the comment box. I will try to clear it. Next one is astatine with atomic number 83, and it is placed in sixth period. See here, period number is equal to, this is fifth period of the period table, sixth period. It will include F block elements also. Therefore, you can write here 2, 8, 18, 32, again 18 and 7. Total it 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 18 is 28, 28 plus 32, 38, 40, 58, 58, see 32, 2, 8, 18, 32, 18, 7. Check whether the total is 32, 2, 8, 18, 32, 18, 7. Count it. Is it equal to astatine? Astatine. Sixth period. Total it. Whether it becomes to 85 atomic number. 2 plus 8, 10, 28, 28 plus 32, 38, 40, 58, 40. 18, 18, 32, 7. Check it. Total it. Yes. 2, 8, 18, 18, 32, 7 is the electronic configuration. Check whether the total becomes 85. 2 plus 8, 10, 28, 28, 38, 46, 46, 76, 75, 75, 80, 78. Check it. Correct. 85. Observe. What is observation you can make is, along the period, down the group, if you observe the elements, in the outermost shell, what are the number of electrons? Number of electrons in the outermost shell is the same. Means in a group, अथवा down the group, all elements have, observation is, all elements have similar electronic configuration. According to modern periodic law, the properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Atomic number means their electronic configuration. All halogens will have same valency. All of them can be written as fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, astatine. They can gain one electron to attain the stable octet. So therefore, all of them have the same valency, right? Same electronic configuration. Therefore, they have similar chemical properties. This is periodicity. Fluorine and chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine elements in the same group have got the same chemical properties. because they have same number of electrons in the valence shell, outermost shell. They have similar chemical properties. Means chemical properties and physical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Atomic number means electron present in the outermost shell. If I take this one as for fluorine, K cell will have 2 electrons, L cell will have 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You studied in the 9th standard. Means all of them have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell. Therefore, they have similar electronic configuration. Therefore, they show periodicity. Means repetition of identical properties after certain fixed intervals. This one of the reason for the similarity in the chemical properties is similarity in the electronic configuration in the outermost shell. I hope you understood this point. Yes, you do not get it. Drishan Roy, I will repeat it. See, any doubts in writing electronic configuration? These are the electronic configurations. You can write by seeing the number of elements in the first period, second period, third period, fourth period. I discussed in the previous class. And you can write the electronic configuration. Now, what is the reason for, what is the cause of periodicity means? After fluorine, right? You will get below that you have chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. All of them are halogens. Halogen means salt forming. Salt forming. The word halogen, all of them can form salt only, right? This fluorine can form sodium fluoride salt. Chlorine can form sodium chloride, which is common salt, and sodium bromide. They can form salt forming. All of them have the same valency. I will come to the point. They have identical properties, chemical properties. All of them have identical properties. What is the reason for this similarity in the chemical properties of all halogens? The reason is, if you observe the electronic outermost shell, how many electrons are there? All of them have got 7, 7, 7, 7 only. And this particular similar electronic configuration in the outermost shell makes them similar in chemical properties. Therefore, they show periodicity. Chemical properties. Now check whether you understood or not. Is it clear now? Drishan Roy, you told that you are not, you do not get it. Now you got it. Means down the group, the elements are placed in the same group. Same was the thing observation. Elements coming in the same group, all of them will have identical properties. All alkali metals placed in the group 1 have got identical properties. All second group elements, if you see the periodic table, see my previous class, live class, last live class. So they have identical properties. This is one of the reasons down the group, right? Down the group, all of them, see one change you can observe is down the group. If you come down the group, the period number in the outermost cell to which the electron enters goes on increasing by 1. Means first period represents all electrons are present in the K cell only. Second period means all electrons are outermost shell electrons will be in the L cell only. Means period number corresponds to the cell, right? Where the outermost electronic valence cell, outermost cell are present. This will have how many cells? So last cell will be 4 cell. Means cell number to which electrons enter will show you. Fifth group means down the group, new cell is introduced. Suppose that here you have 2 cells, K and L. Here you will have 3 cells. Here you will have 4 cells. Here you will have 5 cells. Means cell number goes on increasing. Cell means main energy level down the group. But their electronic configuration in the valence cell means outermost cell. This is called as outermost cell. Actually, reaction takes place in this cell only. This outermost SHE cell is called as valence cell. It is called as valence cell. In the valence cell, outermost cell, number of electrons are same. This number of electrons or electronic configuration is same. Therefore, all of them will have the similar properties. Therefore, they show identical behavior down the group. That is the reason for periodicity. After atomic number 9, next element atomic number 17. means after 8 elements you will get chlorine. It is having identical property as that of fluorine. After that, again 8 elements, again 18 elements, you will get bromine, identical property. This periodicity after certain fixed interval of 17 plus 18, right, you will get 35. That shows the periodicity. After certain fixed number of elements, they show periodicity. One of the cause of periodicity is similar identical properties down the group. I hope the things must be clearer. Otherwise, you again rewind it and watch it later, you will understand it. Down the group. Okay. Now we'll see along the period what happens. Along the period, I will take the period number 2. You check in the period table, have period table before you, and you study and attend the classes. Watch my previous video, it will be continuous. Period 2 I will take. Period 2 I will take. What are the elements present in period 2? See, in the period 2, the element starts from, say, lithium. Okay, in the same period, right? Now you can write atomic number of it. Atomic number of lithium. Lithium will be, atomic number is 3. Lithium, beryllium, it is placed in which group? Second group. This is the third group. Group number you can write. Group number. Lithium is present in which group? Second group. Beryllium, atomic number 4. This is present in which group? Third group. Then suddenly goes to the beryllium, means boron, having atomic number 5. This is present in 13th group. Group number is 13. Observe period number. They are present in period number 2 only. All the electrons will successively enter one by one. 3, 4, 5. Next comes carbon family, atomic number 6. It is placed in 14th group. And next carbon 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the 7th element? Is nitrogen. Along the period you see 8th element. Dushendra, you have not answered me whether you understood or not. Oxygen, fluorine, neon. Observe them. Lithium is placed in group 2. Now group changes, but the period does not change. Period will remain fixed. Are you getting me? Along the period, left to right along the period if to go, left right along the period if you observe, along the period, you observe one thing, that is 14th. Nitrogen in the modern period table is in 15th group, oxygen is 16th group, fluorine is 17th group, and this is neon is in 18th group. If you see the atomic number of them, what is happening to atomic number? Atomic number is increasing by 1 unit. Okay, if you write their electronic configuration, very interesting. Electronic configuration. I will write electronic. You have this table, electronic configuration for study purpose. Electronic configuration. Here in lithium, you have K and L cell. How the electrons are distributed? 2, 1 is electronic configuration of beryllium. What about boron? Boron will have the electronic configuration. I will show you K and L cell only. To the same cell, electrons will enter 2, 2. Right? What about this boron? Boron will have 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. To the same cell, electrons will enter 2, 4. K and L cell only. L cell is the second period. This is a nucleus. This is K cell. This is L cell. Electrons will enter into only K cell and L cell. K cell and L cell. K cell and L cell only. 2, 4. Now you get here for nitrogen 2, 5. Electronic configuration 2, 6. 2, 7. 2, 8. Observe. What is your observation along the period is electrons will enter into the cell. Cell remains fixed. Cell remains fixed. Remains fixed along the period. Like down the group, what happens? Group remains fixed. Period changes. Here cell remain fixed and group changes. Group changes. That is another reason for periodicity. Group changes. Now observe here. Period will be second period only. Period will be second period, K and L cell. But group you observe, lithium is present in second group, beryllium is in third group, boron is in 13th group, carbon is 14th group, nitrogen is 15th group. Successively the group number is changing, but period remains same. That is another reason for the periodicity. Are you getting the point here? And now the concept of valency, very important concept. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Any classic students in the live stream? Dharwad classic students in the live stream? If you are there, show thumbs up. No one is there. Okay, valency. Valency means combining capacity. Remember, you studied in earlier classes also. Valency means what? Combining capacity. What do you mean by combining capacity? Combining capacity. Generally, during chemical reaction, we said that only electrons in the outermost shell. What is the outermost shell here? Outermost shell is a valence cell. Only electrons present in the valence cell, outermost cell will participate. Valency corresponds to combining capacity, right? That involves either gain or loss of electrons. Loss of electrons means combining capacity of an element, right? The outermost cell is called as valence cell. Therefore, electrons are either gained or lost. Either gain or loss of electron take place during chemical reaction. During chemical reaction. During chemical reaction. In chemical bonding, we will be learning in detail chemical reaction. Means in the next chapter, chemical bonding, I will talk about during chemical reaction, electrons in the outermost shell only participate. Generally, lithium has got valency. Valency means number of electrons in the outermost shell. How many electrons are present in the outermost shell? Its valency is 1. Its combining capacity is 1. And beryllium has got valency 2. Therefore, we write it can lose 1 electron. Therefore, it will have the valency plus 1. Beryllium, we can have valency plus 2. Boron has got a number of electrons. Therefore, valency of boron is plus 3. All entire family will have the valency plus 3. Then you have carbon. Carbon, look at here. Carbon will have valency 4. Carbon comes to the 13th, directly to the 13th group. Right? So this 14th group electron will have variable valencies, different valencies. Its valency is 4. Once you reach the valency 5, you must not write it as 5. You have to write it as 8 minus 5. Again it becomes what? 3. Maximum valency is 8. After 4th, the valency goes on decreasing. Number of electrons in the outermost shell of this oxygen is 6. Therefore, to get the valency, you have to subtract 6 from it. Therefore, valency of oxygen is 2. Nitrogen is minus 3. Oxygen will be minus 2 because they are non-metals. They can gain electron. They cannot lose electrons. These left side elements, metals will have the positive valency. Non-metals will have the negative valency. Carbon can have minus 4 valency. Then nitrogen will have minus 3. Oxygen will have minus 2. Then you have fluorine. Fluorine 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Therefore, all fluorine will have the valency minus 1. And inert gases 8 minus 8, 0. Therefore, as their valency is 0, all inert gases will have valency 0. Therefore, their combining capacity is 0. Therefore, they are chemically not reactive. All of you are following here. If you have got any doubts, you can put it in the WhatsApp. You can put it in the comment box, or you can join my WhatsApp group by clicking the link given in the videos of the ICSE. Time is changed for ICSE. Instead of 9:25, from next period you will have between 9 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. Note on the time. I don't want to take your time after 9:45. We'll close it. This is a second reason for the periodicity. Second reason for the periodicity. Clear it you? Okay. Means what we observed is down the group which remains constant, group number remains constant, cell number changes by 1 unit. Along the period from left to right, this you understand, then you can understand periodic properties. All the 6 periodic properties one by one we will study. I will try to cover this week. By late next week I will be completing it, and in between I will give the questions also. You be ready. Okay. So next period I will ask you questions. These are the 2 basic reasons for the periodicity. Along the period what is happening is cell remains fixed and group changes. Cell remains fixed and the group changes. These are the 2 reasons for periodicity, right? I will take 1 or 2 questions to test your understanding. Note down the questions, in text questions on this periodicity, right? I will give you 1 or 2 questions. Let me see how many of you can answer. There is a in text question. I will ask some simple questions in text. First question, elements of group 1. Take this question, all of you. Elements of in text questions, because our aim is to prepare you for the exam. Suppose that a question appears. Elements of group 1 and group 17 have same valency. They have valency 1. Explain. Valency 1. Explain. Just now I explained you. What is your answer? Can anyone of you write the answer? Start interacting in text questions. Let me see how many of you understood what I discussed. For 2-3 minutes, 1 or 2 questions. What is the answer to it? Group number 1 will have valency. Just now we have seen group number 1. Group number 1 has got lithium. Atomic number 3. Just now we studied that its electronic configuration is 2-1. It has 1 electron in the outermost shell. Therefore, valency is equal to 1. If you go to group number 17, you can take the first element, fluorine. What is the electronic configuration? Atomic number is 9. Electronic configuration is 2-7. Whenever outermost electron crosses 5, you have to subtract 7 from 8. You will get valency. Valency can be obtained by taking 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Therefore, valency of, you have to write the answer clearly, valency of group 1 and group 17. Group 1 and group 17 are 1 only. Even though number of electrons are 7 here, after it crosses 5, you have to subtract 7 from it. I hope you are getting the answer. Any doubts in this? Okay, fine. We'll stop today, and tomorrow you will have maths class, trigonometry. We started. ICSE questions also I will solve between 8 p.m. to, note down the timing correctly, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. 1 hour combined class for all state maths, only maths, state, CBSE, ICSE. Sharp at 9 p.m. you join, not 9:25, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. right? And you save my number, join the WhatsApp group. That's all, my dear students, for today. Next period, you be ready with study before attending the class. pre-reading, that is called as pre-reading. If you pre-read it, pre-read all the periodic properties like atomic size in your textbook, and metallic property, non-metallic property, just you study it once roughly. Even in your school also it must have been taught. I will explain you reasons. Here we will have more interactions. Ask your questions, send your doubt questions in the WhatsApp group, ICSE available. Click there, you can join my WhatsApp group. If you join the WhatsApp group, I will consider you as my student. If you are just randomly watching here and going out, it's useless. It is a systematic course, my dear students. Smoothly prepares you. Using app based quiz test will also be taken, and take my words seriously. I am putting my all efforts to prepare you smoothly at home at your study table. Because to move on to tuitions, it takes transportation problem will be there, and that will be solved by 9 o'clock. You finish your all school homework, sit for 45 minutes, and I will prepare you for the exam, both chemistry as well as mathematics. Tomorrow we'll meet at 9 p.m. to study it. If you like it, you ask your friends to join, more friends to join, attend them, and before attending they have to watch my previous video. All of a sudden, if you join my course, previous videos are available in Cbse live stream, right? So there you can check your ICSE class time. I written there, and you can watch them and attend my classes. If you miss a class, no problem, they are available in the live stream. That's all, my dear students. Study well, read well, go to school regularly, do day's work on the same day, keep your mind and body cool, take blessings from seniors, do prayer, meditation, yoga to keep your body and mind fit. Meet you tomorrow. Good night, my dear students. Bye bye. See you.